Connecting WordPress to GitHub involves using version control to manage your WordPress site's codebase. Here's a streamlined guide to achieve this. Set up a GitHub repository. Create a new repository on GitHub where you will store your WordPress site's code. Initialize it with a README if needed. Install Git on your local machine. If you haven't already, install Git on your computer. Git is a version control system that allows you to track changes to your code. Clone the repository. Clone the GitHub repository to your local machine using the command line or a Git GUI tool. This creates a local copy of the repository on your computer. Move WordPress files to the repository. Move your WordPress site's files and folders into the cloned repository directory. Add, commit, and push changes. Use Git commands to add your files to the repository, commit changes, and push them to GitHub. Continuous deployment. For automated deployment, set up a continuous integration and deployment pipeline using tools like GitHub Actions or other CI or CD services. This allows changes pushed to GitHub to automatically deploy to your WordPress site.